Hey y'all, if you saw my last video, I was showing you how we prune blueberries here on the farm. I also showed you that I had a couple teeth get loose on my pruner bar here. Well, I got those secured. I tacked a weld right here and right here and got them all tightened back up. Well, I had some guys pruning the bottom of the bushes, and throughout our field, we've got about 65, I'm gonna say T-post, sucker rod, stuff like that are holding up the drip lines on each end and in the middle. Well, I had the guys going around getting cutting the bushes down by each one of those rods so that I wouldn't hit it. Well, wouldn't you know, the only one that they missed, I hit that son of a gun and broke a darn tooth off of the bar. And here it is right here. So now I'm fixing to fix this. I don't have the parts exactly that you need, these steel rivets right here. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do it just with the stuff I've got laying around the shop here. First thing I'm gonna do is knock these rivets out of this blade here. Man, that sucker's slipping all over. Now we got to find a couple bolts that'll fit those holes. Now to get these out. Not as easy as that others. Now I've got 2 sets of bolts and a couple nuts that I'm going to use to put those in there instead of those steel rivets. I keep all these kind of things around as I can, as many as I can. I think these came off of a little small motorcycle battery. I'm going to have to grind that weld off where I had repaired it before when it was loose. And there you have it. Didn't take long. We're gonna be back in business. Maybe it'll last through the rest of the pruning. Looks like it's on there pretty good. Like dirt daubers built it. Now we gotta get back to work.